Hey, Southview students. Good morning. It's Monday. I hope all is well. I hope you had a great weekend. I hope you're staying active. Just a couple things I want to show you on the website, and hopefully you're using this, but hopefully you're staying active. That's really the most important thing. Let me show you. I'll click this down. Okay. Let me pull up my website here, and I'm going to go to, for this week's lesson, I'm just clicking on K through 1 here. If you take a look, I have choice boards here, and if you click on the choice board, you can do one of these activities a week, and they don't take long at all, you guys. I mean, it's really just one a week is all you have to do on here. For the choice board, you just go under PE and do one of these. It's pretty easy, okay? And then on top of that, Mr. Schrick, he has lessons. So if we click back here now, this week's lesson, I put together myself a little throwing activity for K1. And then I have a minute to win it challenge. Try that as well. Okay, so you'd click on that and you could do that as well. Now, if you're bored, the rest of the week there's always PE extra credit. And if I click on here, fitness workout, come down here, you can do some of these here, and I'm going to keep adding to this library as well. All right, and then if you could, it'd be awesome, share your activity with me. Some people have, you can take a photo of yourselves and send it to me via email, or you can do a video and I put it on here so other kids can see it, because I want to see that you're active as well. So I hope you have a great week. It's supposed to be nice this week. Get outside, be active, eat right, drink lots of water, okay? I miss you, and I'll send another video out maybe later this week, okay? You rock. Power to the positive.